The thing work. My prick don't miss.
To dig the grave from the leg, they have to dig from the head.
Can make me help me, yo.
He's ready to sacrifice his mother, father, brother, just to make wealth. Like white fire, you're the only one that can give wealth, and that wealth will last forever. Great one. I want my friend Oga Jabez to talk for himself.
Hold on a moment.
Great one.
What the bullet na yellow or click mengre wushianya? My son, what brought you to my shrine?
The way where I take pour, eh? Great one.
Sorry.
Sometimes, I dey beg madman food. Sometimes, if madman dey chop bread, if nobody dey look, I go drag the bread chop.
My son,
Great one.
with what you have explained now, your problem is very tough. But don't worry. The gods of Ajala will help you.
Okay.
So great one. The way it be now, I want to sacrifice my prick.
You do what?
As I not get money, no way to use get woman self. So the way where I don't reason this thing, sir, this prick, nothing they work for me again. Other than every time, and soapy. If I not use engine oil, I use crude oil, I use palm oil, I use granite oil. So nothing the prick they work for me, no they important. I said the worker, the prick go they do jingle bell for road. I said the worker. Nothing the thing they help me like this now as I do now. So no need of this prick. Make una sacrifice my prick, give me money now. Sacrifice my prick, give me money.
My son, you say you want to use your prick for this ritual. Anything you give the gods, you will never take it back.
Are you aware? Don't forget.
So, are you sure you are ready that you want
Yes,
to
I agree. I will not take it back.
Horugo.
The thing work, oh. The thing work. My prick don't miss. In like 1 week now, I go to drive Jeep, they drive Range Rover. The prick don't come out. It remain the money. Hi, Kanayo, try. Thank you. Waiting, I'm going to appreciate you.
Beautiful question. Anytime you have, you can give me. This is what we'll do to get appreciation.
No. This prick now, look at crawl over now. No. Shots everywhere they smell. I beg. This prick is too short. With the look of things, this prick is 2 minutes prick now. It doesn't last. See crawl. Look, that's in a boil. Hey. No. See boil for the mouth now. The gods go reject them. Me myself, I don't reject them too.
Oh yeah, now as the gods not fit manage my prick for the money ritual, I'm making a refund my prick. I beg.
You can't take it back.
Which one they say I can't take it back? I go scatter this brotherhood though.
Are you shouting at me?
I beg, refund my prick, make I dey go my house.
No. You are shouting at me.
I beg.
Oh, I will tell you.
You not fit tell me to anything.
Ajala. Ngano, where ya?
A person born this man, oh.
I dey tell you.
No kill him, oh.